Hey, we're back at it again with another video and the white vans. Today we're testing out the DJI Mavic Mini with the iPhone SE 2020. Alright, let's check out some of these quick shots. Let's see if we could. I don't think we can. That's watch your profanity. Oh well, let's take this drone around and let's fly it around, whip it around, and let's see if it works really good.
Now I'm watching you. Now I'm watching me name it. Now I'm watching you. I'm watching me name it.
It is windy, so.
Nope.
Alright, so far so good, pretty clean feed, in and out. Alright, palm tree. Pretty sturdy for being super windy. Alright, let's see if I can whip it back to me. Alright, let's whip it around. And remind you, it is screen recording as well, and it's so windy out here. Alright, let's whip it around. What's really good about this phone, the reason why I got it is because I wanted to see the telephone wires, so I don't make sure I don't hit them using this. Alright, let's whip it around. It freaking works, bro. Wow. It's so dark in here. Freaking look like Suicide Squad. Oh, don't hit that person. That wasn't sketchy at all. Whoa, that took forever to slow down.
Slow down there, buckaroo.
Love this drone, man. Oh, I love it. I love it when it works. I gotta do a freaking thumbnail. Around the road. Circle. Okay. Ready? It's catching me, bro! It's catching me! And then it lost me. It freaking lost me. Did you guys see that?
Nope.
What the heck? Addicting. Ready? Yo, did it catch me?
Nope.
It still got
Nope.
me? Pretty slick, pretty slick. Let's try this one. That run too far. Shit. I'm back. Oh, it's gonna go into the trees. Damn, this thing is quick. Alright, let's just... I don't want to send it up too high because it'll fly away. If I was a bird, I would fly away.
Quiero tenerte, quiero besarte, satisfacerte, que tú despiertes al lado mío. Y desconfío, me he regalado que he pedido y un poco más. Que me da, nunca lo voy a soltar, nunca lo voy a soltar, porque te adoro, adoro, tú eres mi tesoro, tú calmas mis penas.
Wow.
Y también mis antojos, mi tesoro, mi tesoro. Sé que
Well, it definitely works, you guys. I can tell you that much. You guys, that's it for this video. Stand up straight. That's it for this video, you guys. So please, once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we will be doing our iPad giveaway, of course. So please, you guys, consider subscribing before we do more videos like this. And I upload every day, plus it's free. Plus, who knows, if I get enough subscribers, I might afford enough to buy me a puppy. Wouldn't that be cute, you guys? A puppy, like a little blue-nosed pit bull puppy. That'd be cute, right? Alright, you guys, we love you guys. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, love, and happiness. Goodbye, you guys.